In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam Market not loading. First, you want to open up Steam. I'm going to show you two different fixes, by the way. Then you want to click on Steam in the top left corner and go into settings. Now, from the settings here, we will navigate to downloads, and you want to clear the cache. Where it says clear download cache, clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. You want to click on clear cache, and afterwards that's going to restart your Steam. And the second thing that you can do, if that doesn't fix it for you, is find command prompt and run as admin. Click on yes, and you want to type this net sh winsock reset, press enter, and then you will type the second command, which is going to be, I'm going to delete this, it's going to be slash ipconfig config flush DNS, sorry, without the slash here, or whatever this is. So it's going to be ipconfig slash flush DNS, whatever, man, DNS, like that. And you want to press enter, and that should restart your then afterwards you should restart your PC. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.